what time it is, right?
So what's up, guys? You know, we're out here. I'm about to go drop off these letters at the mailbox. These are not actually letters, I'm correct. These are stickers. I'm sending out stickers. So if you guys want one of these stickers, go ahead and let me know and I'll send it out to you. They're free. All you gotta do is just go on the description below, click the link, or send me a message on my Instagram saying that, you know, on my DMs telling me that you guys want one. That's pretty much it. Today's video, we're gonna be talking about how to make some side splitters for under $25, and we're gonna get that going. But first things first, I gotta head over to my friend's shop, go drop off some plugs, and we'll go get ahead and get ready real quick. It's morning out here and it's really hot in California, so check you guys out right now. We're here at the shop. Let's go ahead and turn these in. What's up? What? Hey, who's this at? Here you go.
Got it?
Happy birthday. I bought an extra one just for you. Just, I don't know if you ever would need one.
Oh, this one to tap it in, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so I got you that one.
Motherfucker, why to do this shit?
I got you one just in case. I didn't even know Mazda made them because I bought them off of Flying Miata, and they have them on their little website, so I got it. Whose Miata is this?
It's automatic though.
Automatic. This is the little hole I was talking about. That's the plug that we had to plug up. And this is my block. It's already built, ready to go. You guys go ahead and have a good one, huh?
Alright, what's up?
Alright, what's up, man?
What's up, dog?
Fucking David. You should advertise for my sticker.
Follow my boy on Instagram.
Yeah.
Hey, you want a honey bun?
Nah, dude, I'm cool. I'm pretty cool. What's up, bud? You ready? Chill. Yeah, chill. The stickers from my channel.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, no.
Wow, you seen this? You seen this weird suffering? No. It's all over your bitch. You got that from the soccer meet.
David's not gonna make fun of me no more. Remember I told you that I was
Finally got real wheels.
I got Joel's.
Oh, Joel's, right?
Remember
Yeah.
I told you that I wanted to get something like Joel's?
Yeah.
And then Joel ended up selling me his.
No.
I'm so proud of him. He's not gonna be a.
Alright, so here's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna make these side splitters. On my last video I showed you guys that I went to Lowe's to go buy this material. So we're gonna make it out of this. I believe they're just moldings. Don't get the wood ones because in the summer, when it rains, they're gonna tend to mess up and fall apart. So I'm just gonna get the measurements of the Miata, like how far I'm gonna need to cut. And we're not gonna leave them like straight edge. We're gonna, you know, give them a little curve. Make sure we make them look nice before we put them on, before we paint them. And we're gonna do both of the sides today and then tap them on. So yeah, you want to make these. You want to go ahead and buy these at Lowe's. They're only like what, $7, and you know, make your side splitters for cheap. Instead of buying $100 side splitters, you can make some yourself for pretty cheap. So that's gonna be it right there, where it's lined up. I didn't have measuring tape. If I would have had some, or a second pair of hands, I would have had somebody made it a little bit more easier for myself. But looks like we're gonna end it right here, straight across. This one right here is gonna be facing the front because this is gonna be on the inside. This little curb side is gonna be on the inside. So what we're gonna do is, if we want it to look good, instead of just a square, we could either round it out, you know, or we could, from right here, we could probably, like, you know, take a dry erase marker, so we could, I want to say, you know, yeah, something that's too ugly, so, you know, we could give it something like that. or just a round curb. So either or. I might just fix this up a little bit, you know, start it perfect and then cut it out, or well, you could go just round edge, not, you know, straight square, or it's up to you, however you guys want it. So I'm just gonna cut it this way. And the back, on the back, what I'll do is I'll just give it a, you know, just a nice little curve. Let me see. So I ended up cutting one already. This one's already nice and cut. So we're gonna go ahead and try to, you know, get on mounted. See if I could get it mounted real quick and test fit it. If it comes out really good, and that means I'm gonna go ahead and make the other side. I'm just gonna lay this one on there, mark it, and then, you know, make the opposite one. Alright, so I went ahead and made it. I went just test fit it. You know, it looks pretty good. I'm just gonna go ahead and make another one the same way. Cut it out, and then we're gonna paint them, and then just finish putting them on. See, it kind of curves out a little bit. I like it. It only has 2 bolts holding it, but you know, it's good material. I like these. And then the reason why I wanted this facing in is so when you bolt them on, it goes away, you don't have to see that. So I suggest buying these. They're gonna come out pretty good. Just gotta go ahead and paint them because I don't want them white. And here's the back end of one. Comes out pretty good. Let's go ahead and make the other one. Okay, so the way I'm gonna cut these is I tape these two together. The short one that I already made is on the top, and the one I gotta cut is on the bottom. So the best way to do this is you want to line these up opposite way, because if you do them facing the same way, you're gonna end up with 2 lefts, and you want to make a right and a left. See, this is where on this side, the small thin part is where the inside of the passenger splitter is gonna sit. So you got to put this one facing down, so it's gonna flare out like this. If you want the same flare, well, I want to make sure I have the same flare coming in this way and finishing that way. So if I end up cutting just a little too much, I can shave both of them at the same time and still have them identical. This is how they're gonna come out after you you know, tape them together and cut them out. The 2 identical ones facing the opposite way, so you got a left and a right. And I'm gonna just go ahead and paint them.
I was made for this. This ain't no Chris, nigga. Nah. And I can fuck your bitch, nigga. Yeah. Straight from the fucking dungeons of this rap shit. I'm Tommy to the socks, but this polo on my hat. Hey, this the fucking hat trick. Niggas think they that slick. They bitches in my mentions, though. They wanna hold, they tryna go. I just get the check, then I'm outie 5,000. I've been working 10 to 10s and 10 again. I be up till like 4 AM just getting money. Smoking out with the doors ajar, so the hoes can see me feeling like a star. See my diamonds dancing in the dark.
Alright, so I went ahead and painted them. They already dried up and installed them. All it was is just some tap screws. They do look like the tap screws you guys want to use. Let me see. They look like this. You want them to have this little tip like that, and the box or wherever you guys buy them saying that it cuts through metal, because you want them to go in easy. If you don't buy the ones that are for metal, you guys are just gonna keep drilling and drilling. It's gonna take forever just to put in one. So if you buy the right ones, it'll be easy. Just slap them on, you know, one in the front. The way I do it is just I start off with the back and work my way through the front. You could just go one, you know, just keep skipping, or another way is just do the one in the back, one in the front, one in the middle, and then the 2 inside. When you guys are done, they'll look like it's just installed Easy, pretty easy and simple. So if you guys like the way these came out, I suggest you guys to, you know, go to Lowe's, buy some for like what, $7 each, and make one for each side. They came out pretty good. Like I said, they're pretty durable. They're not gonna be breaking everywhere, and if they do break, what, I mean, what's it gonna cost? Just $7 just to make one more. And you know, if you guys like this video, this is probably it for today. Just go ahead and like this video, share, subscribe, and if you guys do want a sticker, go ahead and let me know. The giveaway is almost here. I only had a couple people let me know about if they want the Raceland headers for free. You know, it's on a giveaway, so it doesn't cost anything. They're brand new. I have them in the box. I'm gonna be shipping them out to whoever wants them. If you guys want a sticker, you know, let me know on my Instagram or on the messages. I'll try to contact you somewhere. If you guys need my email, if you don't have Instagram, just go ahead and let me know. I'll send you my email. You can send me your address through there. I'll send you the stickers. They are free for whoever wants one. If you guys have any questions on anything, go ahead and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, share, you know, go ahead and shout me out, whatever you guys can. Stay up, have a good weekend, and peace.